Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and I'm vlogging today. Hopefully you can hear me, but I'm on the train right now. And I'm here with Christine.
Hi y'all. That's why I said y'all.
Alright. And we are on the train on the way to DRAGCON and I'm really excited. Okay, so we've made it inside.
Yes.
And we're sitting online.
And Todrick's gonna be here, guys.
We just realized that Todrick is gonna be here, and I'm excited as fuck because I love him. And then we got our booklets, and
can we just talk about like?
I was just about to do that. I was just about to. Can we just talk about Jeffrey for a second?
Yes.
I love him. I love him. Yes. So we have Jeffrey. I'm so excited. I got I'm Shook on. We are both wearing the Eclipse highlighter. Dat highlight dough.
Everything's gonna be dough at the end. Like we're on line dough.
No. So yeah.
So much, you too.
Oh, I wish.
Can you sign this?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna give it to my friend Kevin. He couldn't be here, but he's obsessed with you and everything and all of those.
Just K-E-V-I-N?
Yes. Thank you so much. for Jeffree Star, and it is so long. The line goes that way, and then also goes behind me. And I believe, if I heard correctly, they already capped the line, so I am not moving. Kristen is walking around and checking stuff out, and I am just waiting here, but it's gonna be worth it. So close! They're right over there! Yeah! We're getting so close, I'm so excited! So I don't even know like what the last clip you would have seen was, because I'm a mess right now. But we're in Penn Station, and
alright, guys, can you just comment and say,
oh
like,
god,
you love
ew.
this? You're fine. It's awesome.
I was crying. I'll get into that in a minute. But yeah, isn't her choker awesome?
Like, come on.
So good.
We're in Penn if you couldn't tell.
Yeah, I said that too.
Oh, okay. Well, in case you didn't hear her.
All right. Yeah, so I was on Laura Lee's Snapchat and I cried, and I was also like filmed for the vlog, for Jeffree's vlog. So I hope that I'll be in it, but I'm shook. And not just because I'm wearing, I'm shook. I'm literally shook. Though it helps, yes.
Hey.
So we're on the train now, and we're heading home.
Can you still talk about that highlight?
Yes, girl. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh,
I can't wait to wear mine tomorrow, though.
I know. I'm definitely gonna steal some of it to wear tomorrow. She got the new Uranus highlight, and yeah, it looks really beautiful.
I cried.
But so we're on the train, heading home, and we actually, well, tell us what
So my amazing husband Jimmy just told me that the train that when it gets in at 7:06, it's literally 12 hours from the train we got this morning.
Yeah, he pointed that out to us, so that's funny.
Yeah.
It's like on the dot. It's gonna be
Perfect.
But so we're gonna go and get dinner
At a diner.
at a diner, and I may or may not
What
vlog.
face was that?
I don't know. It's you, I mean. I may or may not vlog at the diner, but I'll vlog when we get back to your house, and we'll wrap it up for the night. But this is going to be connected into tomorrow's vlog, because I'm going to vlog DRAGCON Day 2. Good morning, everyone. So it is Sunday, and we are at the train station waiting in the car right now because we're a little early, but we are on our way to DRAGCON Day 2, and I'm really happy with how my makeup turned out, and I'm wearing the new Uranus highlighter. Yes. And I got glitter on my eyes, and I'm wearing the Laura Lee MAC lipstick.
Don't forget my sister's coming.
Yes, oh my god! Lisa, Kristen's sister, is joining us today. She decided to buy a ticket today and come with us, and I'm very excited. So it's gonna be real fun. And it's Kristen. Yes.
My highlight though.
Yes, that highlight. And once again, Jimmy is being awesome and dropping us off at the train station, the Tula. And yeah, so it's gonna be a good day. So we're in line, and I'm sitting because there's no point in standing for this long. Kristen's here, and I'm here with my friend Veronica. So yeah, we're just waiting to go in. So I'm inside now, and I went to Jeffrey's booth and I got the makeup that I wanted and the t-shirt that I wanted, and now I'm online to meet Laganja and Gia, and I'm so excited. So
Yes, God, honey, you're here with hashtag Team Too Much.
Yeah!
Turn up, turn up.
Love you guys!
Ah.
Can we talk about this highlight though? Yes. So we are sitting downstairs right now. We got some pink berry. And she got the pink berry. And we got Lisa right over here. I'm not gonna totally show her because she's
Like getting the bottle of water.
yeah, the bottle thing. But yeah, we're relaxing for a little bit, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next. I mean, I don't know if you guys heard her, but Krista was just like, rob a bank. No. You know what I want iPhones to fix? I want you to be able to flip the camera while recording.
Okay. You can't do that now?
No.
Nope. Only Snapchat.
Yeah. The regular camera can't do that, and it's annoying as fuck.
Hi. What's up, guys?
Ah, you got your pinkberry? What'd you get?
I got original with some rainbow sprinkles because cha, and strawberries because I'm a subjective bitch.
I thought you were gonna say because cha again. Yes.
Hey, y'all.
So I put on the new Jeffree Star Gemini liquid lipstick that I bought. Yeah. So
And I'm just being creepy.
yeah, as usual. She's, you know. So we're walking around. I am here at this awesome makeup booth, and Beth Bender Beauty, and they have these amazing highlighters. Yes.
They come with a compact like this.
Yes, so gorgeous. Yes.
So pretty.
And there's eyeliner stencils. She just did her eyeliner. Amazing. So I got one of the highlighters myself, and I'm gonna be doing a video on it in the future, so keep on a lookout for that. Alrighty, so we are leaving DRAGCON and we're gonna head out. It's only 1:30, but we're exhausted, so we're gonna go.
But it was amazing, guys.
Yes, it was so much fun. Hey guys, so hopefully you can hear me okay, but we are at Applebee's now. Jimmy. I'm with Kristen and Jimmy, We got back from DRAGCON. It was amazing. I'm exhausted, so I plan on eating and going home and crashing. And I have school tomorrow, so I gotta get up real early. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.
Alright, we're getting all set up over here with Boss Events. Gia Gunn and I will be meeting and greeting at 10:30, so come say hi to us and get you some merch.